Hi everyone. What a wonderful time we're having together. I'm Patrick from grade 4 from Basic Education Primary School, Almingala. I would like to share you about the lady with the lamp, Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was a nurse. She was British. She was born in 1820. When she was a child, she wanted to be a nurse. She cared for sick pets. Her father was very rich. Usually, rich women did not work in hospitals. Her father said, "You cannot be a nurse." But she tried hard to be a nurse. She became a nurse in 1851 and helped many people. In 1853, there was a big war in the Crimea. Florence Nightingale went there and helped the English soldiers. She cared for the injured soldiers. At night, she always used the lamp. The soldiers called her the lady with the lamp. She became very famous. This story tells us that being a nurse it's a great living. Thank you.